The stock market is on its way up this week with those records. So let's bring in pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. Alan, what are you watching in this market?
Hello, Angie. Some special stock market right now. I can see S&P 5,000.
We have been watching one of your trades, Palantir. That stock is up about 40% in the past month. You bought a June 14 call back in January and you took a 50% profit, but you are still holding the other half for the potential of another round of profit. Don't get too greedy. That's your strategy. What other wins can you tell us about?
All right, for our portfolio, we've been taking profits along the way. Selling too soon is our strategy. Took profits in GlaxoSmithKline, GXK, took a 50% gain, made new highs there, and that was our exit strategy. The way we play, we want to buy at least 3 months at a time, even though we may not have to use it. So just in case there's a pullback in the short term, we've got the ability to look long term because this momentum is massive.
What trade is up next for you?
All right, today's trade, let's look at Intel again. We played these guys over and over, been a great trading stock. We're seeing a lot of leverage buying, smart money accumulating these shares after we had a pullback here from an earnings disappointment. We're using that profit-taking pullback as an opportunity to buy back in. It's 15% off its December 27th top, and it's come back to that breakout at 40. In the big picture, Intel's been trading between 30 and 50 for the year, so 40 is a midpoint pivot. We hold this as support, then we should bounce back up to the range top at 50. So the way I'm looking to play is buying a June option, a June 40 call. Again, that's support midpoint. Trading for about 5. It's got 4 months of time, a 70 delta. And this is a stock that's 40% off its recent high of in the last couple of years.
And finally, let's get your trading day takeaways.
All right, trading takeaways. Trading takeaway number 1, May, March on. All right, March is the first Fed meeting ahead of us now, and there's still a 25% chance, so it's not eliminated that we're going to have a rate cut. May has got a 75% chance. So what we're seeing here is the markets are telling us the cuts are coming. Number 2, 4% pivot. That's a 10-year note yield. We bounced a bit on above that as the economy has gotten so hot, but we'll come back down a little bit. It's important to see that we've been trading between 380 and 420, so 4% is an important price pivot on a weekly basis to watch. And number 3, sunburned stocks. There are 4 stocks that have accounted for 75% of the S&P gains here in 2024. Now, those stocks could continue to go, but from my standpoint as a trader, I like the laggards. They have the best risk reward, and I'm looking for a lot of these stocks to play catch up.
Very good. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.